Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to enable new search for Windows 11 build 25276. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. Firstly, download Vive tool from the link given in description. After the file is downloaded, extract it to the following path. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator, and execute the following commands, one by one. After executing the command, you'll need to restart your PC, in order to see the changes. And after restarting, you'll have the new search in the taskbar, as well as start. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.